Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. A prominent lawyer and opposition leader Tendai Biti and former Beitbridge Mayor Morgan Ncube have been remanded to 16 June 2026 over charges linked to an unauthorized meeting. The pair appeared before Mutare Magistrate Honest Musiwa. They are accused of convening a public meeting without notifying the regulating authority in alleged contravention of Section 7, Subsection 5 of the Maintenance of Peace and Order Act. According to the state, the meeting was held on 21 March 2026 at 26B Carrington, Darlington, Mutare, and was attended by about 30 people. Prosecutors alleged the gathering focused on discussions around Constitutional Amendment Bill Number 3 and was held without notifying the Mutare Central District Regulating Authority. The state also claims that the venue is commonly associated with political meetings linked to MDC Alliance and Citizens Coalition for Change supporters. The two were previously granted $500 United States bail each. Conditions include surrendering Biti's passport to the Mutare Clerk of Court, a bar on Ncube applying for a new passport, reporting twice weekly to their nearest CID Law and Order section, and not interfering with the witnesses. Both remain out on bail pending the next court appearance on 16 June. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.